Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maryam Khan. I'm teacher for the past 6 years. I'm teaching O-level biology at Beaconhouse school system. I attended a workshop recently. It was a 2 days training program. The first day we have learnt about Canva and Trello, which was very fruitful. And today, the second day, we have learnt about social emotional learning, which was also equally fruitful. And we have learned that social emotional learning is not only important for kids, it's also important for adults to learn. Once adults learn about social emotional learning, they will inculcate this in their students. And we have also learned how to inculcate social emotional learning in digital educational classrooms. Thank you.